Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this advice to make some wet wipes to clean up or clean any surface either because we do not have or forgot to buy or simply because we want to have more at hand and with ingredients that we already have at home. Apart from the fact that they are very easy to do, they look very good and with a very rich smell and without any alcohol or any other chemical that can harm us. Let's see what we are going to need. We will need a plastic boat, preferably one where we have had wet wipes or the width of the paper roll. The servituel is rolled, preferably the thickest that are. Liquid soap for body, baby oil, 2 cups of hot water in a bowl to mix the ingredients, and a closed knife to cut the paper roll. Now let's see how to do them. We take our boat and more or less measure how far the lid is located there to cut our paper roll. In my case it is where green is, but they're calculate him in the boat they have. We take the roll, and with a closed knife, we cut it more or less at the distance we calculate. Try to do it as straight as possible, so you don't go to one side of the boat just as it happened to me. At the end, they must have something like that as shown on screen. Thank you. Already cut the roll, we take the plastic boat, take off the lid, and put the roll in it, and then throw liquid with a mixture of the ingredients, and thus make the wet wipes. Try to be as tight as possible so that all the fluid is impregnated well on the paper. Now in the bowl, with the 2 cups of hot water, we will throw 2 tablespoons of liquid soap for body, and then the 2 tablespoons of baby oil. If you want, you can throw a fragrance for baby to smell better, but with pure liquid soap, they will have a very pleasant aroma. Then we mix the ingredients very well, until we see any color difference in the water. Since we mix the ingredients well in the bowl, with the water, we still pour it into the boat with the paper, by batting it completely, so that the entire mixture is impregnated uniformly. This is where I told them to try to cut as straight as possible the paper, so that they do not leave cumum inside. But don't worry that they still remain. Then we close the lid and let stand about 3 minutes to be able to remove the cardboard that is in the middle of the paper roll. Since the 3 minutes passed, we remove the lid, and we gradually remove the cardboard that is in the middle of the paper roll, since it is now wet, and can be easily removed. If they could not make it so simple, wait another minute for it to be hooked. But as they see, since we grab it, it is easily coming out. Be sure to remove it completely, so that they can then take the tolitas as can be seen in the video. Since we did this, we covered the boat again, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes, so that they are well. Since 30 minutes passed, we open the boat, and you can already take the wipes to clean what you are accustomed to cleaning with them. In this case, I stain my hand with a pen, so that they see that just spending a bit easily removed, and it is enough to pass me in both hands. And believe me that they are very clean and apart with the aroma of the liquid soap they chose. They are ideal for cleaning our children, nephews, or grandchildren, since all ingredients are hypoallergenic, so they will not harm their skin. And to take them out only as we would do with the normal wipes that they sell in any store. I do not put it in the Arido, since these are not as resistant as the others and would break, but they will have no problem to get them out. As they could see, with just a roll of paper towels, liquid soap, baby and water oil, we can make our own wet wipes either to clean ourselves or our little ones, or to clean any surface of our house or somewhere we visit. It will be very clean and with the aroma that we like the most. They are ideal to take them in the car, a field day, or anywhere where we leave, and may not have a bathroom near and want to be clean if we get dirty, apart from having no alcohol or some other chemical to which we can be sensitive. Do them and tell me in the comments how they seem. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very useful. Thanks for seeing us, and hopefully they like this advice. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.